101 Money Saving Tips Part 2. Tip 17. Swap your items. If you always buy yourself a cuppa on your way to work, try swapping it for a smaller size or just skip every other day. Tip 18. Eat at home. Cooking at home, you can make meals for $5. Compare that to $20 for takeaway. You're saving at least $200 each fortnight. Tip 19. Plan your meals. Not only will this save you money, you can actually make better choices when you plan your meals. Click here to see my meal planning video and then come back. Tip 20. Organize your pantry, fridge and freezer. There are so many items that get lost in the back of your pantry. So not only are you not buying items that you already have, you can actually use the items that you have already paid for. Tip 21. Cooking in bulk saves you money, time and stress. Make a big batch of spaghetti, divide it, freeze it and you're done. Tip 22. Eat less meat. Now, you don't have to go vegetarian, but you can skip it every now and then. Meat can be expensive, but a simple meal of shishuka can be delicious, healthy and cheap. If you've got a great recipe, share it in the comments below. Let's help each other out here. Tip 23. Learn how to shop. Do not go shopping when you're hungry. If you do, you might as well just kiss your budget goodbye. Tip 24. Online food shopping. It is a lot easier to compare prices and you don't end up accidentally buying something you already have. Plus, click and collect is free. Tip 25. Are the specials actually special? The great thing about shopping online is when you list them in price order, the specials will show up in the current price they're at, so you don't have to double check anything. Tip 26. Compare unit prices. This item here will show you whether or not something is cheaper. Just make sure to double check what the unit is. Is it kilo or by single item? Tip 27. There is nothing wrong with home brands. I buy Coles home brand all the time and there's no difference besides the price. Tip 28. Don't forget your bags. Not only are you wasting money, you end up with a whole bunch of plastic bags that you keep forgetting. I've actually stopped using bags altogether whenever possible. I have my little basket and mesh veggie bags. Don't forget to recycle the plastic bags correctly as well. Will somebody please think of the ocean? Tip 29. Shop at your local market. The bananas at my local market are $1 compared to $3 down at Coles. Plus, you're also supporting local businesses. Win-win. Tip 30. When times are tough, food banks are actually available in Australia. All you need is a referral. Check the link below to see a list of places where you can get a referral. And don't be shy. We all need help sometimes. So go and let anyone else know who's struggling. Tip 31. Stop buying water. Okay, if you live in a place where you can't drink the tap water, that's fair enough. But if you can, there's nothing wrong with the tap water. If you don't like the taste, put it in a bottle, glass is best, and put that in your fridge. It will taste a lot better. Plus you can add things such as frozen fruit, a slice of lemon. You can even get those cold tea bags. And again, think of the plastic.
Will somebody please think of the ocean?
101 money saving tips will only get you so far. If you really want to learn how to handle your money and level up your savings game, watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.